Northeast Venture Fund, a dedicated venture fund for the Northeastern region promoted by NEDFI, Ministry of Donor and SIDBI, today announced the launch of Startup Investment Fest 2022. The objective of this fest is to reach out to startups and first-generation entrepreneurs of the region who are working on building business models which are based on new products and services backed by technology and innovation with superior value proposition and potential for high growth. The event is open for startups from all sectors working on innovative solutions and ideas that aim to disrupt the way consumers, industries and businesses operate.
For the launch of the Startup Investment Fest 2022. At the beginning itself, I congratulate the NEDB for taking this initiative under the Northeast Venture Fund, which is contributed to jointly by the Government of India as well as NEDB in addition to NEDB. And its activities over the last few years, which have resulted in several startup ventures being set up in the Northeast, which we may put it in our connectivity. And as you would all know, there have been significant improvements in all these sectors. For example, in railways, all the state capitals are getting connected to Borders 9 to the rest of the country. Similarly, national highways, 4-lane in many cases, are reaching all state capitals and beyond. For example, in Tripura, it will reach to the very last tip of the Indian territory to sub-Rome.